What's up guys, my name is Denis and this is BEBONCOOL, BEBONCOOL G-Mix. BEBONCOOL is a company that makes different converters for mobile gamers. A lot of people don't have some high quality gaming PC or laptop. And there are even people that don't have PC at all. There are more reasons. Some of them just don't need it for daily use, but they do play games on their phones. And what can be better than to experience the gaming on your phone like to gaming on your PC? Well, let's find out! On this tiny box, we only need to connect mouse and keyboard, connect the device with your phone through Bluetooth, and set up the keys correctly by your needs. Let's go through the setup and see what is going on with it. Holy! This actually works, guys! As you could see, I connected my wireless keyboard and wired mouse to this device just to see how it performs. I must say that I'm impressed. Everything runs through Bluetooth and there is almost zero or even none delay. This BEBONCOOL converter is perfect, especially I'm playing sometimes Fortnite, and as you could see, Fortnite joins together the PC gamers and phone gamers. And with this, we can build as fast as the PC gamers. And don't worry, this tiny box works also with other games, like PUBG Mobile and so on. In case if you're interested in this BEBONCOOL G-Mix converter, click on the one of the links in the description below to order it. I will appreciate if you order from one of those links, as I get really small commission and that makes my channel to give more reviews for you guys. That's it for today, guys. If you enjoyed in this video, don't forget to press on the like button. If you didn't, you know the dislike button. And if you want to see more of my upcoming videos, make sure to hit the subscribe button. It's free of charge and there will be more upcoming great videos. Psst, also press on this tiny bell notification button. Thank you again for staying with me. And until the next time, stay in love. Peace!